game
but
in
no one's died.
scratch.
And if they've done it, they've
Steps.
had some terrible experience.
First
So
step,
Hardpoint is an
make your
industry for people.
character jump.
It's a crop, it's a product, it's something you
Second,
can
make a
collect,
moving
gather, and
obstacle.
then sell.
Third,
The
stop the
limited
game.
supply and ever-increasing
4.
demand.
Add more
Hardpoint honey is now
obstacles.
among the most effective
5.
in the world,
Keep
selling
score.
for $60 to $80 a pound. Is there any way for people to increase the amount of product?
Select
No.
the
What is it
sprite.
with the honey that's so valuable that people want so bad?
Many tourism Korean.
Select the backdrop.
Some believe it
Now,
offers
how
medicinal
to
health benefits.
make your character
It
jump.
shows some help, but not daily use, but
When
once a year.
space key
Well, some
pressed,
just want to see if it's as powerful as they say.
Sound.
Guy, he was the one who owned the clip where the honey is. I said, "Can you walk me through the
Start
experience?"
sound.
He said, "I took a lot, and I couldn't walk for
Control.
24 hours. I think we should try it out.
Repeat.
And maybe
Sounds like
start. Wait, sounds
10.
terrible. No, but if you do too much, it's. Are you sure?
Change
We got it.
Y by 10. And again, repeat 10.
Best ever food in the show is
Change
a small
Y
community
by
created
minus
and
10.
here works because of you guys.
This
Put the link in our description and our
next.
Patreon and receive exclusive benefits.
First step done.
Amen. That's a good piece.
Second steps, make moving obstacle. Choose
The
egg.
ladies are loving this. You can start an OnlyFans. Hi, does it look like I'm
Reduce the size.
down alive? That's a good enough accomplishment.
Position
Fall down the rest of the
the
way.
egg and go to XY. Bring this.
What did I learn today?
Then this you have to go bring it up to here. So this is glide.
Yeah, I think it's all these
1 second. This one. Then you can put it back.
Actually, you did wrong.
Then after that, this you have to do forever.
Look at my hand. If it seems really interesting,
Forever.
then I'm really high.
And then
Right now, it's just
when green flag
mildly
click,
interesting.
let's check.
Guys, that is the end of our mad
It's
honey
moving
video.
very
I
fast, so let's do 2 seconds.
It-
Let's check one more time.
I will not go into detail.
Second
But I did
step,
not flash anybody.
over. Now third step,
That is it for this one.
stop the game. We'll stop the game
All right.
when green flag
Mad honey. What
clicked.
else do they have that's mad? Mad sugar
Then
cane?
we'll go
Maybe a
to
mad
control.
cheesecake? Oh, I love it, mad cheesecake.
Wait until go to sensing, touch the cheek. Then after that,
Discover Japan
go
and
to
beyond.
control,
Food experiences.
stop all.
This is a
Now check once, stop the game. One more time.
On the island of Hokkaido. Japan
Now one problem is there.
Especially its crab.
The cheek when stopped, it didn't go to the previous position. So click on the cheek.
Look at this thing.
Then click on the when green flag
By
clicked.
the end of this video, we're
And
taking
then
on the
position.
challenge, coming face to face with Japan's biggest
Position here.
crab.
And then motion. Go to this one. Now let's try once. Get here. Now it will go to the previous position. So it doesn't stuck.
This place is famous for its brutal winters, but also some of the best
Now
crabs.
next
on the planet.
is
Japan's most prized crab species can be
adding
found
more
here.
obstacles. Now
Hokkaido is
click on
responsible
egg,
for nearly
right
half of
click
Japan's
it,
total
duplicate
crab
it.
catch, meaning
So one more
Japan
egg is here now. You can place it.
These icy
Now you
water.
can
Right now,
see.
we've just arrived at a
Now
local
both
seafood
eggs are
market.
coming at the same time there.
Let's
So
move.
we have to
See all of Japan's
do
finest
some
crabs.
changes here.
The market is the place
Click on
to
the
be.
second egg.
Home-cooked
When
food for the
clicked,
freshest catch. Sure, you can find
first
Japan's
of all,
infamous Hokkaido scallops.
let's make it
Fish.
wait
But
for
off of this water
coming
is so
after
cold.
the wait.
Start the day strong
1
with Japan's
second.
premium stone crab. What a
Then
beauty.
see
Take a
there.
look at this. Oh, hey.
What you can see. And now what we do is
Oh, I got it.
we'll do hide and sew. The first one, second will be hiding, and after 1 second it will show it. Now let's see here.
These cold frigid waters.
Then it will come after 1 second.
Succulent meat.
So you
That's
can
what these
this
guys are
one.
known for. This guy right here.
This is,
$20.
and you can change the color of the
Really
second
eat
obstacle
iconic
so that we
Japanese
can
crab.
find out the second.
Here in Hokkaido.
This is the second
the
egg.
first one that we're cooking up.
Let's
Let's
see.
get into it.
Second, you can add more obstacles. The last one is now
Hokkaido's best crab. Straight
we have to keep the score. So make a variable
The winner of Miss Universe Japan
score.
2024, Kaya.
Okay.
More on her later. How do you feel about seafood?
Now,
Love
when
seafood.
green
It's one of
flag
my favorite meals.
clicked,
With food in general, are you accepting of trying new things?
I've always been too
when
adventurous to
green
the point
flag
that food
clicked,
really worried for
Do you
me.
have an example of
set
two
the
adventures?
Raw
variable
lamb, and I really liked it. And I
score
ordered
to
like
0,
tons of it.
Of raw lamb.
and
Yeah.
when
Oh my
jump,
gosh. Well, we're not going to be doing
you
anything
can
extreme.
just
This
do
is the snow crab.
change
It's said to be, hold on,
variable by score by 1. Now you can
Press down
see
her long-legged friend. He
1,
comes with de-shelled crab legs and claws in a dry batter made from baking
stop.
powder,
But
flour, and
look
salt.
at here,
Then
if
dip
you
into a wet batter. Using the
keep
same
on jumping, the
ingredients,
score
cook with
is
butter and
moving
an
on,
egg.
so we have to
Finally,
fix
mix
this
the hot
also.
wing for a crispy
For
golden
this,
finish. The
what
snow
we do
crab
is
naturally sweet and a mildly
use
briny
control
flavor, making it less intense than the king crab,
if
but more refined. You want to give
if
it a shot?
Cheers.
touching the egg,
Wow, that's like dynamite.
I get what they say by elegant. It's doing
set
elegant
score
in my mouth.
It's a little bit crunchy, but really the gem is when you get
0
into that juicy crab
again.
but not harsh.
It's so airy, and I
If
think it complements really well with the fact that it's a
again
Tempura, that just means fried, basically, right?
Yeah, around the world, when you think fried, you think
touching,
fried and it's going to be super coated.
there are
You
2
can't
eggs,
see
so
it.
touching egg
But
2
with tempura, you're still able
will
to
set the
see
score to 0. Now let's see.
transparent, which makes it lighter.
We have the tempura pot right here. We have a bowl just of salt.
Using salt enhances the natural flavor.
Now get here. Now if you jump, the score will be 0.
Even more sweet.
So thank you everyone.
Thicker, more robust.
Make it
To the leg.
and upload it. This is a jumping game from scratch. Thank you one more time.
Salt, it's working.